Hello dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a very simple question based on Hardy-Wingber equilibrium. So the question is, the frequency of an autosomal disease affecting an individual in recessive condition is 1 in 10,000. The frequency of carriers would be, so here we have to calculate the frequency of carriers in this problem. So basically question is based on autosomal recessive disorder. So if we take the genotype of an individual, how could we take? We can either write it as AA, capital A, small a, small a, small a. Capital A, this is homozygous dominant condition. This condition is homozygous dominant. This condition is for carriers. This condition is for homozygous recessive. Capital represent our dominant gene, dominant allele, and small alphabet represent our recessive allele. So because this question is based on autosomal recessive condition, so in homozygous dominant condition an individual would be normal, and if an individual is having a dominant or recessive allele, then it would be carrier. Carrier means it is not affected by the disease, but it has the potential to spread the disease. So it would be called as carriers or heterozygous condition. And in this condition, the individual is in homozygous recessive condition, and this is our diseased condition. If the both alleles are in recessive condition, then an individual would be diseased. So we have to find the frequency. So first of all, frequency of AA is given, and that is 1 in 10,000. So frequency AA means you can write as A square. A square is, we have 1 in 10,000. So A would be 1 by 100. Simply we are taking the square root of this and we are getting 1 by 100. So this is the frequency of recessive allele. This you can call as frequency of recessive allele. So if we are going to calculate frequency of dominant allele, how we are going to do is we have to subtract from 1 minus A would give you frequency of dominant allele. The frequency of dominant allele, you can represent dominant allele by A, so it would be 1 minus 1 by 100, and this will be around 99 by 100. So A would be, and why we are getting this, we know based on Hardy-Wingber equilibrium. As we know, if we have two allele, one dominant and recessive, so frequency of both allele is equal to 1. So if we have A plus 1 is equal to A and we are calculating A for example, in this case we are calculating A, so A would be 1 minus A, that is what we have done over here. So this is your frequency of dominant allele. Now what we have to calculate? Frequency of carriers. Carriers means in heterozygous condition. If we square, this is our first equation, squaring equation first, we have a plus a का whole square is equal to 1 का square. This would be a square plus 2aa plus a square is equal to 1. So this 2aa will give you frequency of heterozygotes. So frequency of heterozygotes or carriers would be 2aa. So 2 multiplied by A is a dominant allele, 99 by, this would be 100, sorry, 99 by 100, and A, what we have, 1 by 100. This will be around 99 by 100. This will be we are simplifying our equation, we are making our calculation easy. So 99 by 100 we are taking as equal to 1. So this will be 1, 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 by 100, and this will be 2 multiplied by 1 by 100, 250. So 1 by 50 would be your frequency of carriers. This will be 1 by 50. So thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel.